Hi students. Today we are going to discuss the uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe an action which happened or took place in the past and was completed in the past. Generally, expressions of past time like yesterday, last night, 10 days back, 4 years ago, and so are added to the statement. So these time expressions show that this particular action has taken place in the past. Let us see some examples. I received your letter yesterday. 5 years ago, I left the college. We have seen in the examples that the expressions of past time clearly indicate that this action happened or took place in the past, or it was completed in the past. Now let us see another use of simple past tense. It is used to narrate stories or describe series of past happenings or events. Let us see an example. Once, a piece of bone stuck in the throat of a wolf. The wolf asked a crane to pull it out. He promised a reward. The crane took out the piece of bone and requested for the reward. Now we are going to discuss the difference between the uses of simple past tense and present perfect. Time expressions that refer to the present, such as this morning, this week, this month, today, and so on, can be used with either past simple or present perfect verbs. If we think of this morning as a past completed time period, then we use the past simple. If we think of this morning as a time period which includes the present moment, then we use the present perfect. Let us see an example. I didn't shave this morning. It means that the morning is over and I didn't shave. If we say I haven't shaved this morning, it means that this morning is not over. I might shave later. We are going to another use of simple past and present perfect. In news reports, we often come across the use of present perfect to report the recent events, and then the past simple or the other past tenses to give details of that event. For example, the film star Rishi Kapoor has died of cancer. He was 68 and lived in Mumbai. Here we notice that the first sentence, to report an event, we have used the present perfect. The film star Rishi Kapoor has died of cancer. Then we have used the simple past to describe that event. Let us see another example. The US space shuttle Atlantis has returned safely to Earth. It landed in Florida this morning. In this sentence also we notice the recent event is expressed in present perfect, and then the action is described in simple past. Next, we are going to discuss some important uses of simple past and present perfect tense. In a sentence which includes a time clause with since, we generally prefer a past simple in the time clause and a present perfect verb in the main clause. The time clause refers to a particular point in the past. For example, since Mr. Manohar became the Prime Minister, both taxes and unemployment have increased. Here we notice that the time clause is in simple past tense and the main clause is in the present perfect tense. However, we have to be careful enough to use the present perfect in the time clause if the two situations described in the main clause and the time clause extend until the present. Both the situations presented in the main clause and the time clause extend until the present, we have to use the present perfect tense. For example, have you met any of your neighbors since you have lived here?